Hi, my name is Carmen and I am your friendly neighborhood Beauty Pro member. Today I'm going to be showing you the basics on skincare layering. So the number one most helpful tip that I'm mindful of when I am layering my skincare is texture is key. You always want to make sure it goes from the lightest texture to the heaviest texture, just because you want your products to go into your skin and not be blocked by the heavy textures underneath. Step number one should always be cleansing. I use the Bioderma Sensibio cleanser because it is super gentle on very sensitive skin and regular skin. It takes care of excess oil and removes all my makeup. You always want to make sure that you are removing any dirt, oil, or bacteria that has accumulated on your skin, whether it being throughout the day or throughout the night, because at nighttime your skin actually produces more sebum, so you want to make sure that it's washed off so you're not pushing it down into the skin. Doing so will make sure that you are preventing any breakouts and overproduction of any oil. This will also help optimize your skincare that you put on afterwards. Step 2, toners. So you should always use a toner after you cleanse, because not only will it balance your pH, but it will also remove any excess dirt, oil, bacteria, and excess cleanser that you may have missed when you were washing your face. This toner works miracles in preventing breakouts and managing my current acne. Toners are basically going to set the stage for the rest of your skincare because it is the first topical treatment that you have on your skin after cleansing. Step 3, essences. So essences should not be confused with serums or toners. Essences are a concentrated blend of ingredients that help with anti-aging, acts as an antioxidant, and improves the absorbability of your skincare. I like to use this essence because it is great for repairing, and also it is safe for sensitive skin, which I have. The fluidity and the texture of the essences will actually create a little path or channel that your subsequent skincare will actually follow. I recommend to apply your essence with your hands as opposed to a cotton pad, because you don't want your cotton pad to absorb all of those good ingredients. So toning and essences are basically akin to tilling the soil when you're going to plant. Without tilling the soil, your plants will still grow, just probably not as well. Step 4, serums. If toning and applying essences are like tilling the soil, then I would say serums are like planting your seeds. Serums are jam-packed with highly concentrated and potent ingredients, and they are designed for maximum potency. I like using this serum because it is amazing at anti-aging, it has powerful antioxidants, and it is jam-packed with peptides. I like using this eye serum because it takes care of my dark circles and increases circulation around my eyes to decrease puffiness. Step 5, moisturize. Moisturizers work by sealing all of your skincare in your skin. It also helps balance your moisture barrier so that your skin is well hydrated and well protected while you sleep or throughout your day. Step 6. This step is optional, or as I want to say, option-oil. This is to help all the people that want to incorporate an oil into their skincare, but they're not sure where to put it in their routine. Oils are recommended to be put on after all of your skincare, after your moisturizer, because you don't want to prevent your skin from absorbing any of the topical treatments that you've had on so far. The oil helps with nourishing your skin and providing you with a protective barrier on your skin to prevent any breakouts and also minimize dryness. Step 7 is sunscreen. You should always apply sunscreen on your skin regardless if you're actually going to be in direct sunlight or not. Most skin concerns that people have are actually worsened with sun exposure, such as dark spots and fine lines. You apply sunscreen on last because it is your shield against the sun. It's like putting on your clothes or putting on your socks before you put on your shoes. So you've tilled your soil by toning your skin and adding your essence. You planted your seed to address your skin concerns in the form of a serum. With regular routine, you will have a beautiful garden in no time. Garden is your face. Your face is going to be beautiful. It already is beautiful. You're beautiful. And there you go. If you have any questions on where to put any specific product or where you can incorporate certain products into your routine, comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon.